get enough confident to teach online? Are you thinking for teaching online, but still you are confusing? Welcome. This course is for you. My name is Ali Raza Panjwani. I am part of Rehan Foundation. Excited. And I have done Master of International Relations and I am a certified digital marketer. In this course, I am going to step-by-step process to guide you each and everything how you can teach online with confidence and get more things to learn. And you get my experience how I started online, camera facing, confidence, and you connect your audience and more messages to draw your online teaching. And best of, you can not wait for next level. And after this course, I'm sure you will start teaching online and connect and create and more creativity and innovation in your thinking patterns. This course is going to add more value in your confidence, shyness, anxiety, or everything blockage will be clear. Yes, I'm sure about that. Because I'm making this course with a number of experience of my teaching and my learning abilities. And I love to transfer you with my enthusiastic energy, and I love to share you everything. So let's start and hope you enjoy this course. Thank you.